Example 2, you have $5,000 to invest in a term deposit. The interest is paid annually at the rate of 4.2% per annum per year, and you will invest for 2 years. Calculate the total interest that you are paid and the value of your investment after 2 years. Okay, so we know that this is simple interest because when we need to calculate compound interest, actually they tend to be more explicit. We will see more about that in future lessons. For now, we're using simple interest for this. So first, one key thing that I suggest you underline is the following. Calculate the total interest, the question part. Calculate total interest that you are paid. So in other words, what you earned. So that's all the total interest that you are paid. This is what we earned, the interest that we earned. And then it says the value of your investment after 2 years. So this will be the final amount. Okay, let's write down the two formulas that we learned that are going to help us to find out what the interest earned is and the final amount. So of course we know I is equal to PRT, and once again A is equal to P plus I. Once again, you're welcome to pause the video and try to solve it on your own. So first, so let's collect our data. First, you have $5,000 to invest. So right there we see the word invest. This will be our principal, our initial amount. So let's put a little P there to help us in a term deposit, okay? The interest is paid annually at the rate of 4.2%. So which variable is that going to be? Well, this is the interest rate. So let's put R here just as a reference, a little reference. And of course, it says per year, and you will invest for 2 years, of course. And this is this is our T value. Okay. So let's collect our data here. Now we have that. So we know that P is going to be equal to $5,000. R is going to be equal to 4.2%. But instead of writing 4.2, what do we need to do? Instead of writing 4.2%, we need to turn the percentage into a decimal. That's important. Always turn the percentages into a decimal, or else it's going to mess up your problems in your solution, sorry. So 4.2 divided by 100 gives us 0.042. That's how you turn a percentage into a decimal. Divide this by 100. 0.042, and then T is equal to 2 years. Okay, so now let's simply find out what I is going to be equal to. What is the interest earned? So we take 5,000 times 0.042 times 2. That gives us 10,000. 10,000 times this. That gives us 420. So that's the interest earned, $420. I should have put a dollar sign there. Okay. And now we take this. So now this is what? The interest earned. Right? So we can say, therefore, the interest earned is, right? So, okay. Well, let's just leave it like that for now. Interest earned is this. And then we need to calculate the value of your investment after 2 years. So we take A is going to be equal to the principal, or the initial amount, 5,000 plus 420. That gives us 5,420. So we can say, therefore, the interest earned is $420. So interest earned is $420. And the final amount, the value of your investment is 5,420. So therefore the interest earned, yes, so once again, therefore the interest earned is 420, and the value of your investment is 5,420.